aloe vera. First of all, I've washed it to remove the color aspects that can come irritate to your skin. I've washed it with water. I've already washed it before now. Now let's peel off the back. So what can we use aloe vera for? Aloe vera can be used for many things. Aloe vera is very good in growing hair and keeping your hair coiling. This is the two things that aloe vera do to keep your scalp neat and also increase the length of your hair. And not just only that, you can also use aloe vera for your face. It also keeps your face smooth. It keeps your face away from rashes, help your hair grow long, and also keep it coiling. So we that keep natural hair, we love to use aloe vera a lot. When I process it, I will show you how I process it to do my hair. But now what we are doing now, we are just peeling it off, bringing out the aloe vera himself. But before you start all this, you wash it thoroughly to remove that color that will irritate your skin or your scalp. I've done that before now. So now I'm extracting the juice out of the aloe vera leaf. And in this point, you have to be very, very careful because of knife. You not get yourself caught. And if you didn't wash it very well, your hand will be scratching you in the process doing this. But I've washed it very well, so there's nothing like scratch. This is how I remove my gel. It's good for all kind of hair, because just to keep your hair clean, keep your hair strong, and keep your hair coiling. That is the work of aloe vera. It helps the length of the hair to increase. You know, anything natural is more good than all this artificial. There's no any chemical attached to this. So after you get this out, you can get your blender, blend it to the juice, turn it into a container and keep it in your fridge. Then it's ready to be used anytime, any day. You can apply it to your cream. If you are using a liquid soap, you can apply it to your liquid soap too. It's very good. And you can always apply it on your face in the morning before taking your bath. If you're a politician. Okay, thanks for watching today's episode. Thank you for watching today's video. See you on my next video. I'm going to tell you how I'm going to process it. So just follow my page, subscribe, like, give it thumbs up, comment to get more. This is part of health. Yes, if your scalp is having problem or your face is carrying rashes, you are not healthy. You have to look healthy, both physical and facially. Okay, apart from using aloe vera for your skin and for your scalp and for the coiling of your hair, what else can we use aloe vera for? Please leave it at the comment section. Yes, I'm going to teach you something more that you can use aloe vera gel for. I'm going to teach you on my next video. Yes, love you, thanks for watching.